Here in the heart of Little Italy, Toronto, a group of young entrepreneurs and designers have come together to make the ultimate workspace. MakeWorks is home to all the tools you need to design and develop. The latest and most attractive of the devices, their 3D printers.
Sure. So we're a co-working space, and we attract makers and designers and people that work sort of on the spectrum of digital to physical products. So we have some people that are working on more software and app development. Then we have some people that do prototyping with 3D printers.
Yeah, I love the 3D printing. I think that stuff is really cool. I think it's revolutionary. Some things can and will be produced in the future, and I mean, this is, I'm sure it's not groundbreaking in the industry in a sense of like construction and stuff, but that's where this stuff is going. It's going to be amazing.
MakeWorks has several 3D printers available for the use of members and guests. Staff is also collaborating with people in other mediums on some new projects.
Yeah, so an example is we're working on a ceramic 3D printer. So we're working with MakeLab and we're going to build it from scratch. And the way it works is, as opposed to sort of a plastic filament coming through, it's going to be ceramic. It can be in any shape that you want. And then we'll use our kiln to fire in and you can glaze it. And that's just an example.
Yeah, I definitely would drop by again for the events. It's a little far, like from downtown Corey, so it's a great space.
Catherine Makepile, Observer TV News, Toronto.